This is a review of adding and subtracting polynomials. We've got a couple examples. So our first example is to simplify the trinomial plus the trinomial. The thing you need to remember when you're adding and subtracting polynomials is you need like terms. So you can see here we're going to combine like terms, but first we want to get rid of the parentheses. Okay, so when we're adding two things, there is no difference with or without parentheses. So we stacked them, meaning we put the like terms underneath each other. So we have our 3x to the third minus 5x plus 9, and then underneath we have 6x to the third plus 8x minus 7. There is no power of x squared, or there is no term of x squared or power of 2. So we don't have to worry about any tricks there. Then we just combine like terms. So since these two things are positive, positive 3 and positive 6 is positive 9. The like term allowed us to combine them, so it stays x to the third. Negative 5 plus 8 is positive 3. X was in common, so it stays. And then positive 7 or positive 9 minus 7 is positive 2. The more difficult one is example 2, subtraction. You want to, again, remove all your parentheses, but in this case, you want to align the like terms, making them easier to combine in the next step. So notice this has an x to the third, this one doesn't. They both have x squared, this one has an x, this one doesn't, and they both have a constant. So the thing you also want to notice is we have subtraction. So this subtraction changes signs of that second parenthesis. So notice 4x squared goes to negative 4x squared, positive 5x goes to negative 5x, and negative 6 went to positive 6. So now they are lined up. So when we put them together, and you can say we're adding them together, but really we're just combining like terms with the signs that are attached to them. So there is no other cubed, so we keep it 5x cubed. Negative 7 and negative 4 is negative 11. X squared is the common variable. There is no other x, so negative 5x, and negative 8 plus 6 is negative 2. In the last example, you want to be careful when there are words, because the order, especially when it's subtraction, matters. If it's an addition question, the order does not matter because addition is commutative, but subtraction is not. So when it says subtract this from this, I always, if I have trouble with the order, I put in easier numbers. So subtract 2 from 10 is 10 minus 2. So this comes first, minus this comes second. And you can see over here that's how they wrote it, or we wrote it. Then we have to again change the signs of the second one, so negative 4x, positive 7, negative 5. Then we combine them, and we have our answer. Again, this should be review. So why don't you pause this video and attempt the 3 examples. Continue when you're ready. Hopefully you were successful. Make sure you pause this video to check your answers. And make sure that in the last example you lined up your like terms. It doesn't matter if you do these vertically like we did or horizontally. The big key is that you're only combining like terms. I can't combine two things that are are not alike. Okay? If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Good luck!